Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to play your voice message before sending it to a group on the Instagram app for PC, thanks to the latest update. If you want to make sure your message sounds just right before sharing it with everyone, this step-by-step guide is for you. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Messages icon. This will take you straight to your inbox, where all your chats and groups are listed. Next, find and open the group chat where you want to send your voice message. Just click on the group's name, and the conversation will open up in the main window. Now, look for the voice recorder icon, usually found at the bottom of the chat window. Click on this icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly and say everything you want to include. When you're done, click the stop button to finish your recording. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Before sending your message, you can now play it back to hear exactly how it sounds. Just click the play button next to your recorded message. Take a moment to listen and make sure everything is clear and exactly how you want it. If you're happy with your recording, simply click send. Your voice message will be delivered to the group, just as you recorded it. If you want to try again, you can always delete the recording and start over until you're satisfied. This new feature is a great way to avoid mistakes and make sure your message is perfect before sharing it with your group. It's especially useful for important announcements, group projects, or just making sure your tone comes across the way you intend. That's all it takes to play your voice message before sending it to a group on Instagram for PC. Give it a try, and enjoy more control over your messages with this helpful update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram.